So tips for doing your makeup for a photo, a passport photo, a driver's license. Let's go get our passport photo. I took this 10 years ago and I like this picture, but now I need a new picture and I'm 10 years older. So I did my makeup for my passport. What do you think? I did a little bit of brow, contoured the eyes, added a lot of mascara, not that much. It's just a passport picture. A little bit of eyeliner, foundation, blush, bronzer. I just want contours in my face. So I'm gonna just clean up a little bit here. I always recommend when you're doing any photos to edge out. So create contour, make your eyelashes look thicker, make your eyelashes kind of stand up and go out because I have naturally straight eyelashes. I do need to add a powder because I don't want to look glowing like a shiny ball in the photo. So I'm gonna do a little bit of powder. It's just a loose powder. I need to like smooth it out. And then that way it looks more polished for a photo. I blend out all my edges here as well. Add a little bit more. Like I still want to have a glow, but I don't want to look crazy. Now I need a little brush and I'm going to place this right here because I don't want that shine there either. So I want to get a little powder here just to clean up this edge. Look at that. And there. Part of making a picture look good is by giving a little bit of a lift to the eyes. So that's what we're gonna do here. Little lift, clean it up. And then the other part of the lift will be right here. Bam. See that? Just a little bit, just to blend out. Where's my blush brush? Just want a little bit of color, like and I'm going to place a little here. So it looks really soft and natural. Look at that. Just kind of finishes up the whole look. You can see that. So this is going to be my passport photo. I want to travel a lot this next year. I travel a lot already, but I want to travel abroad and I need to look good. This is good for any type of photo ID. And look at, what do you think? So I do need a little bit more blush here on this side. Something else that you can do, like I've got like dark circles, I can brighten a little bit in there with a concealer. Let me grab concealer. Use a little bit of this Dior concealer. It's a shade lighter than my skin, so it's gonna look bright, but watch this. Okay, let me get my brush. And I'll just use this little concealing brush right here. What we're gonna do here is brighten up the area. Pat it in, look at that. Instead of using like that powder there, the powder is gonna make it look super dry. I just want it to give me a little brightening in here. I'm not going all the way out. I'm just focusing right there. And this is for photos, so clean up here, clean up here, here. A little bit of brightening, not too much, just a little. So let's do the same thing on the other side. Wait, I'm gonna set it with powder so you can see the difference. Here's a powder now. Now a little bit more concealer powder. That looks good, look at the difference. So, okay, now let's do the other side. Just a dot, dot, dot. You don't need a lot because it's a light concealer and it has full coverage. So we're just going right in here. One thing I love about doing makeup for photos is you can keep it natural. You want the skin to show, you want to contour with a little bronzer, you want to contour around your eyes. Definitely want to add contour, which is framing your face. And then where's the brush? Here's the brush for my powder. That looks good. Okay, where's this other brush at now? I'm gonna do a little bit more right here. I don't want it shiny. Remember I said we're gonna lift right here? Look, light color, just lift. Light color, just lift. What do you think? Okay, so hair. In photos, you need big hair because if it's smashed down, you look smashed. So you want big hair. So right before I do this, I'm gonna kind of do this to my fingers, like get my fingers in my hair and just like build, 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 build. And then by the time I get in line, it's gonna flatten out. But I do want big hair for my photo. I don't usually wear lipstick, but I am going to frame my lip a little with a lip liner. So just like right in here, because this is my photo. This is my passport photo. I want my passport photo to look good. Here. I'm not doing a lot. I just want to add a little. So let's do this side. Don't go above, just go under. Lightly frame it. Okay, right here. That's it. I don't want to do too much. We're going to do this, my old school Victoria Beckham bronzer. Hi, Victoria. This was a collab with Estee Lauder. And grab a little here. Since I did powder, I want to do this here. I also need to practice like my smile for this photo. So am I going to be like, are they going to say face forward? If they say face forward, then I've got to go like this. So I've got to like balance this out. I have to make sure my neck looks good. I want to get some tape and do my neck. I'm doing too much now. Okay, so I don't want to do, because I don't want the wrinkles to show. So I just want to go like, when I'm smiling for my passport photo, I just want to do like, I need a powder right there. Okay. All right, I gotta go, bye.